which I already informed on the same Skyfield dataset only I'm using for the same packages I had imported. And the first step will be data visualization. On the visualization part, just I'm showing how the implementation will be and what will be the track line and waypoints for the latitude and longitude. So, which I presented here on the same basis. So this will be like the visualization step for the particular inputs and how will be the inputs and procedure will be. And this will be the file for data pre-processing. So this will be the experimental model which we are using, and the data will automatically stored on this particular location for the particular inputs and outputs once the pre-process is done. So this will be the testing. So on the pre-processing itself, we implemented how much images we created is this many images, but for the training I took only 700 images. Because of this many images, if I imported, it will took long time, and system also in normal system it never works. It may consider with GPU system. So I reduced the data and we proceeded this many of images. So finally, this will be the testing file. So once we imported the packages and we start with the training process of that particular images, based on that, this what the layers which we are using, and we given this many details about whatever the process we are concentrating on that. For that, we are calculating what will be the GHA, what will be RA, what will be the distance, everything as an output. So this will be the input, latitude and longitude within 3 days. So for that, it presenting you, this will be the outputs. On the same basis, we are creating some queries as the input. For that queries, what will be the output? On that basis, we created the questionnaire testing points, and I'm defining over here with the testing lines, testing values. For that, I'm getting this will be the outputs on the same steps. This is also the same. So totally four types of questionnaires with four type of tests and outputs which I'm getting.